So along with the message that we would send you, there is this link for Apowersoft screen recorder. Just copy the link and open it on a browser. It will navigate you to this page. Here, click on start recording. It will ask you to download something. Just click on open. It will ask you to download a launcher. Click on download launcher. So now the exe file has been downloaded. Click on it. This will install Apowersoft on your PC. It is now launching the application. So this is the interface for Apowersoft. Here, while recording, select full screen and select system sound and microphone. Now, once you click on record, it will start recording. And now this is your small control bar. So you can minimize it when you're doing some other task or attending the session. And once the session is done, you can just open this again and click on stop. So once you click on stop, it will show you the video file. And now just click on save here and click on save as video file. Now it has saved the video file, but in order to know where it has saved it, just click on open folder. And it will open the folder where the recording has been saved. Now you can close this window and then rename the recording according to your convenience and move it around. Now when you want to stop Apowersoft, just click on close. Now once the installation has been done, when you open Apowersoft again, right now I'll open Apowersoft again. So now again we click on start recording. This time it's just asking us to open the launcher. It will not download the launcher again and again. It will only download the launcher for the very first time. Now we get back to the same interface and we can select the system and mic and full screen and press on record. So now when you select system sound and microphone, it will capture all the audio through your microphone, through your laptop microphone or through your headphone microphone. So it will capture all the things. So even if you are on mute in the meeting, it will still record all sounds coming into your microphone. So please be aware of that fact. And that is it. Thank you.